So I have uploaded an assignment for all classes, class 5 and class 4. Create a scene, any scene, whatever the question it is. What you have to do, read your question carefully, and then it is already mentioned, take a screenshot of your code as well as output and upload it as a PDF file. Now, how to do this? Like, for example, you have done an activity in Scratch. Scratch is opening, just wait. You can do it in computer also. You can do it in your phone also. So first of all, the first thing which you have to do is create your project in Scratch. So I am doing a very simple activity right now. I have to move this because I am not telling you how to do the activity. I am telling you how to, after this, after completing your activity, how you have to submit it. ठीक है, तो I am going to give a motion to this cat. When flag will be clicked, she will start moving. She will glide to many different positions. Let's play this activity. Like this. Okay, so what you have to do is, let's say you are also printing a message with this. So go to looks, say यहाँ पे इसने hello बोला. जब whenever she will stop to say hello, you have to take this screenshot. How to take the screenshot? How to take the screenshot? You have to press print screen button from your keyboard. Automatically the screenshot will be clicked. In phone, everybody know how to take the screenshot, but in computer, you have to just press print screen button. Screenshot will be taken by the computer. Now you have to open MS Word and press Ctrl plus V. Your whole screen will be pasted. ठीक है? Let's say I am adding one more dialogue in this activity. Hello के बाद after at the end she will say I am going to London. Again, take a screenshot. This is your next screenshot. Paste it one more time. Now I'm going to London is also coming. Hello was coming earlier in the previous screenshots. Now let's say you have already completed this activity. Now according to your activity, maybe you have some more screenshots. You can add all the screenshots in a single page. आप इसको ऐसे करके सेव कर सकते हो, और you can save it as a picture also. Right click, सेव एज अ पिक्चर. अगर आपने स्क्रीनशॉट्स एज अ पिक्चर सेव करना है, या फिर आपको यहाँ से नहीं करना आता, यू हैव टू वर्ड में आपने पेस्ट ही नहीं किया उसको, यू कैन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन ओपन पेंट, कंट्रोल वी, paste it as a picture and save it. Suppose this is your second screenshot. You can give a name 2, and again I will take a screenshot of the first one. Let's play it again. Okay, take the screenshot. Now paste, Control plus V. This is your first screenshot. Save. सॉरी मैंने सेव एज नहीं किया था तो वो रिप्लेस हो गया. आई हैव टू टेक वन मोर स्क्रीनशॉट नाउ. ओके, पेस्ट, सेव एज 1. Okay, so this is how you have to save your screenshots in your computer first. So either you can save it as a word file. Word में मैंने ये सारे screenshots paste कर दिए. Now save it. Now if you have an option, go to save as. If you have an option of directly PDF here in your Word, then it is very good. If you don't have an option of saving it as a PDF file, save it first as a doc file. I am saving it with the name Computer Practical on the desktop. Save it. Okay. Now how to convert it into a PDF file, right? Because we don't have to submit screenshots. We have to submit a PDF. So you will go to Google, open Google. You can do this in your phone also. You can do this in your computer also. And right here, I love PDF. This is an online site which will help you to do everything with your PDF, which will help your images to get converted into PDF file, which will help your Word to get converted into PDF file. Here you can merge different PDFs. Suppose आपने 2 PDFs बनाई हैं और उसको combine करके single PDF बनाना है, you can click on merge PDF. आपके पास एक PDF है, उसको convert, उसको 2 में divide करना है, you can click on split PDF. You wanted to convert if your Word file into PDF, जैसे कि अभी हमने सेव किया एक Word file, उसको हम PDF में convert करते हैं. Select your Word file. हमने किस नेम से सेव करी थी डेस्कटॉप से? वी हैव सेव्ड इट विद द नेम कंप्यूटर प्रोजेक्ट, कंप्यूटर प्रैक्टिकल. से ओपन, कन्वर्ट, download. This is a very easy site which you can easily use without facing any problem. Now this is converted into a single PDF file. All your screenshots in a single PDF. Let's check. And this is the file which you have to submit in the as a project, as a assignment. ठीक है. Now let's convert. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर आपके पास इमेजेस हैं और आपको फोन में इमेजेस को कन्वर्ट करना है पीडीएफ में, हाउ यू विल कन्वर्ट. जैसे आप एग्जाम भी जब अटेंड करोगे, अब स्कूल के जो सॉफ्टवेयर में एग्जाम अटेम्प्ट करोगे, तो आप अपने फोन से पिक्चर्स क्लिक करोगे बहुत सारी. हाउ यू विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू पीडीएफ फाइनली? जब पिक्चर्स क्लिक हो जाएंगी सारी, what you will do is you will go to this option, convert PDF, choose JPG to PDF. Now select JPG images. I have saved 2 images on my desktop. 1 और 2 के नेम से सेव किया था शायद. कहाँ पे सेव किया है हमने? डॉक्यूमेंट्स में करा है क्या? यहाँ से चेक कर लेते हैं कहाँ पे सेव किया था. सेव एज. ओह, इनकरेक्ट फोल्डर में सेव हो गया है. Okay, I am going to save it on the desktop now. So these are the two images which we have saved. Now let's convert it into PDF. क्योंकि हम फोन से तो नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं, पिक्चर्स क्लिक करते हैं तो वो इमेजेस की फॉर्म में होती हैं. अब उसको PDF में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? सेलेक्ट JPG images. These are the images. Number two, open. Click on this plus sign. Add one more image. यू कैन ऑल्सो चूज कि आपको जो अपनी इमेजेस की PDF बनानी है वो पोर्ट्रेट में बनानी है कि लैंडस्केप में बनानी है. यू कैन चूज लैंडस्केप इफ योर इमेजेस आर इन लैंडस्केप. तो आई कैन चूज दिस ऑप्शन. ठीक है. सेकेंड इमेज. ओपन. दिस इज ऑल्सो इन लैंडस्केप. ओके. नाउ लाइक लेट्स से कि आपको ये वाली इमेज आगे चाहिए थी, ये पीछे चाहिए थी, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट, यू कैन डू द चेंजेस लाइक दिस. ठीक है. एंड देन click on convert to PDF. Select all your images one by one and then click on convert to PDF. Now download PDF. I think it is taking so much time. I think let's do it one more time. Select JPG images. One in landscape. Second image. Again in landscape. Let's say you have some more images also. You can select all the images one by one. So I am just choosing the same picture one more time. And I want this image to appear at first, then this image, and then this image. Convert to PDF. Click on download PDF. Just getting blocked. Okay. Always allow. Done. Now it is downloaded. Show in folder. Open this PDF file and check it. So here it is. Three images are coming. Hello. I'm going to London. Hello. So I have inserted all these three images. Now you can rename this file because this is your computer project. You can rename with your name, like Aditi computer practical. And then you can upload this file as an assignment. So assignment section में जाके you can click on the upload, मतलब select your, choose your file and then click on upload button. I hope it is clear to everyone how you have to submit your files. You don't have to submit your files as an images. कभी भी आप एग्जाम जब अटेम्प्ट करोगे आगे भी, तो भी आपको जब इमेजेस अपलोड करनी है, यू डोंट हैव टू अपलोड द इमेजेस. इमेजेस को कन्वर्ट करो पहले PDF में, मेक इट अ सिंगल PDF ऑफ ऑल योर इमेजेस एंड देन सबमिट इट. ठीक है। अगर आप नोटबुक से भी पिक्चर्स क्लिक कर रहे हो, कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ सिंगल पीडीएफ फाइल यूजिंग दिस साइट ओनली। आप कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो यूजिंग दिस साइट। आई लव पीडीएफ, यू कैन यूज दिस साइट इन योर मोबाइल फोन ऑल्सो। ठीक है, you can use this site in your mobile phone also. You can convert it into a single PDF and then upload it. I hope it is clear to everyone.